Hi guys, welcome back to another video here at Tim and Matt's Travel Reviews, and today we are at the Crowne Plaza in Plymouth in a standard king room. Let's have a look around. In room 907, this is 9th of 10 floors. As you come in, on the left you have your tea coffee making facilities. There are a couple of complimentary bottles of water here, which we've taken as we're about to leave, going to Dartmoor, and a mini fridge for to use. There's no sensors in there, nothing in there, so you can put your own things in there. On the right we have the bathroom. It's a very small bathroom. You have your usual soaps and shower gels, etc. provided. The shower works fine, but it's a very awkward thing to get in and out of. I think it's showing its age a little bit in there. So into the main room, you've got a work desk, plenty of plugs and sockets to use, including these USB chargers, and a decent sized mirror. And I think that is the only one. There's no floor to ceiling mirror in here. HD TV, I say HD because it includes full Sky HD, and I think this is because this is an upper floor room. In here you also have your safe, robes, ironing board, hairdryer. Oh, there's a full-size mirror on the wardrobe. King size bed. It was quite comfortable. It seemed quite soft when I first got on, but then it wasn't as bad, because I find really soft beds a little bit uncomfortable, but that was fine. Side tables as usual, and a corner chair and table. Plenty of lighting. Not too keen on the black wall there, and it looks a bit, you can see it's been knocked quite a bit and repatched up. The room has got quite a few stains on the carpet as well. It definitely could do with a whole refresh in here. It looks like they must have done something recently going by the USB plug sockets, but I think they should go a bit further. Do a little bit more, perhaps re-skim the ceilings as well. It's got horrible Artex. And an aircon unit, which isn't the most powerful. It's kind of like a cold hamster breathing on you, but it just about cools the room down. It's nearing 30 degrees Celsius yesterday, which I think it's low 90s. So it just does enough to take the heat off, but now this morning the sun's coming in, it's not doing anything. Being on a 9th floor, this side you can see view across Plymouth. We've got the Plymouth Gin Distillery, which just has a really nice bar, so if you're in Plymouth and you like gin, sorry, just refocus there, where that chimney is, it's only about 5 minutes walk from here, if that. There's a really funky cocktail bar in there. There's a restaurant we didn't eat in. The restaurant we had was called the Harbour Restaurant. It's a square standalone place just by the harbour. Where am I? There. Really recommend that place. Really, really gorgeous, fresh seafood. And that's the view from that side, because this side the window's too dirty to see through. And there we have it. So standard king room. I think this is a club floor, floor 9, which is why you have extra things. I was told the Sky HD TV was extra, which I admit I just laughed at because I didn't really care about that. But nice to have it, and not needed, I suppose. But yeah, so there we go. Any questions, please leave below. Give a thumbs up, really, really appreciate that. It really helps us out, it helps with the whole algorithm thing. If you haven't, please subscribe. Until then, see you next time, guys. Thank you.